In this video, we're going to show you how you can download YouTube videos on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more YouTube tips like this. This method is going to work on both iPhone and Android, so it doesn't matter which device you're using, you can follow along no matter what. Now, there are plenty of reasons why you might want to download a video, whether you're traveling, saving data, or you just want to watch offline, so let's jump into it. Begin by finding the video that you'd like to download. I'm going to use this one as an example, but you could search for any video that you would like. This one just so happens to be at the top for me, and it's C-Day. And I mean, I think we all miss this guy. Let's just be honest. Once you go ahead and click on the video and the video opens up, just look right below the video title and the little subscribe option. On this bar right here, you should see an option that does say download. Go ahead and tap on that. Now keep in mind, YouTube Premium is required to use the download feature. If you haven't yet signed up or subscribed with YouTube Premium, YouTube's going to prompt you to sign up, and it is a monthly paid plan, but it is definitely worth it. Once your video is downloaded, go ahead and exit out and hit the U icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you should see a library icon in this. Simply go ahead and click on it and then go to the download section. And this is where all of your saved videos are going to appear, ready to watch anytime without internet. Since I don't have YouTube Premium, I have the Get YouTube Premium option instead of that, so keep that in mind. It'll be in this section right here though. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.